Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm reviewing one of Riga's hidden gems, the A22 hotel. So if you're into stylish getaways with luxury touches, stay tuned because you'll want to add this to your list. First off, A22 Hotel is located in this beautiful Art Nouveau neighborhood, right across from a gorgeous park and a 20-minute walk from Riga's old town. We stayed in the suite, and let me tell you, this room was perfection. From the Art Deco interior to the top-notch details, A22 has thought of everything. They've got Bose speakers in the room, so you can play your own music, and the entire room has this incredible blend of luxury and comfort. Even the bathroom was amazing, with a deep bathtub and luxurious bathrobes and slippers. And the little touches like welcome suites made it feel so personal. It's honestly one of those rooms that feels like a luxury retreat. Breakfast at A22 is definitely a highlight. The selection and quality were impressive. Everything felt so fresh and well prepared. And if you're into trying local flavors and high-end dining, their on-site restaurant is a must. Also, Bar Jackie is perfect for a chill evening drink, super stylish and great staff. During our stay, we felt really relaxed and taken care of with all the thoughtful amenities A22 offers. One standout feature, they have a 24-hour sauna. Yes, you heard that right. Between the gym and the sauna, A22 really caters a relaxing, well-rounded stay. To wrap it up, A22 Hotel is everything I could ask for in a boutique stay. Beautiful design and a peaceful location. I'd say it's the perfect blend of modern luxury with that historic Riga charm. So, if you're planning a trip to Riga and want a memorable, stylish stay, A22 should be high on your list. I'm already looking forward for my next stay. Thanks for joining me on this tour of A22. If you like this review, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more hotel reviews and travel inspo. See you in the next one. Safe travels!